How to add animated background to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, go to themes and click on edit theme. Now in this video, we will be using GIFs and I recommend that you do as well because it's going to be better than actually using videos. Videos could slow down your site a lot more than GIFs would do, and also you will need to go through the entire process of muting it and making it auto replay. So to do that, you simply just want to find a section which does have a background image option, like a hero section here. Now I'm going to increase the size of the height for the sake of this tutorial. And anyways, once we are in this point, we simply just want to upload our GIFs in here. Now, I highly recommend that you use Canva if you don't really have a good one. Maybe you have a video that you want to turn into a GIF. You can just use Canva for that. Let me just show you exactly what to do from that side of things. So from Canva side of things, you simply just want to click on create and search for landscape video like so. Click on that, upload your video, and once you have your video over here and you're pretty much good to go now, you are just going to click on share from the top right corner and click on download. Just make sure you select the file type as GIF or GIF and just click on download. Now back to Shopify, if we click on this hero section, for example, we can click on select image and upload our new GIF that we have just selected, which in my case it's this one, and click on done. And as you can see now, we have this background, animated background for our Shopify store. Now mine is a 3-second GIF, so this is why it just cuts off briefly. But obviously, it's just going to depend on you and your video and GIF that you are going to be using. But yeah, just make sure you save from the top right corner and you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.